As you immerse yourself in the gentle music and merge into the serene ambience around you, you begin to feel relaxation spreading from head to toe. Your breath becomes more even, like a natural rhythm of life. This moment marks the time when your body and mind start to sink into a state of tranquility and peace. Worries and troubling thoughts begin to dissolve, making room for a state of tranquility and serenity. Gradually, you feel enveloped in a soft light, a sense of safety and protection. You hold onto the image of a pristine beach with gentle waves rolling onto smooth white sand. The sound of the waves softly lapping is like a soothing melody, guiding you into a deep sleep where all anxieties fade away and you drift into a sweet dream. The book Journey to the East by Hermann Hesse presents a variety of meditation methods that the protagonist, Leo, encounters during his spiritual journey. Contemplation of nature. Leo spends time observing and reflecting on the natural world, finding peace and beauty in the simplicity of nature. Leo found solace in the embrace of nature, a sanctuary away from the chaos of the world. As he wandered through the verdant forests and along the tranquil rivers, he felt a profound connection to the earth and all its inhabitants. The rustle of leaves in the gentle breeze, the chirping of birds overhead, and the babbling of brooks became his companions, offering wisdom and serenity in their simple existence. In the quiet moments of contemplation, Leo found clarity and peace within himself. He marveled at the intricate patterns of a spider's web, the vibrant hues of a sunset painting, the sky, and the delicate fragrance of wildflowers dancing on the breeze. Each moment spent in nature was a reminder of the beauty and harmony that existed in the world despite its many challenges. As he sat beneath the canopy of ancient trees, Leo reflected on the cycles of life and the interconnectedness of all living beings. He pondered the fleeting nature of existence and the timeless wisdom inherent in the natural world. In the presence of towering mountains and expansive oceans, he felt humbled by the vastness of creation and inspired by the boundless possibilities of life. Through his contemplation of nature, Leo discovered a sense of belonging and purpose that had eluded him in the tumult of society. He realized that true fulfillment could be found in the simplicity of existence, in the harmony of living in tune with the rhythms of nature. And so, he vowed to carry the lessons of the natural world with him on his journey, seeking solace and guidance in its timeless wisdom. As we conclude our journey together, remember that the power to manifest your dreams lies within you. Trust in yourself, stay aligned with your goals, and believe in the abundance that awaits you. Thank you for joining us on this manifestation journey. May your path be filled with joy, success, and endless blessings. Until we meet again, farewell, and may your dreams continue to unfold in magnificent ways. As you embark on your journey towards inner peace and tranquility, remember to cherish these moments of relaxation and serenity. Allow yourself to return to this space whenever you need to find refuge from the chaos of the world. Embrace the beauty of simplicity and the power of stillness, for within them lies the true essence of peace. May you continue to find solace in the gentle rhythms of life and the soothing melodies that guide you to a place of deep rest. Until we meet again, may your heart be light and your spirit be at peace.